Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. Today we will learn about the matrices. The matrix is an arrangement of numbers into rows and columns, and its plural is matrices. Now we need to learn the deep definition of the matrix. Now the matrix is a set or the group of numbers arranged in a square or rectangular form enclosed by the two brackets. The horizontal are the rows and the vertical are the columns. In this matrix that you can see, there are 3 rows and 2 columns. So its order is 3 by 2. It is in the rectangular shape, and this one is in the square shape. It is of the order 2 by 2 form. It means it has 2 rows and 2 columns. Now the general form of the matrix is represented by m by n. Now the general form m by n is written as A11, A12, A21 and A22. This is the general form for the 4 elements of the square matrix. A11 means first row and first column. A12 means first row and second column, where I, A, I, J denote the element of the ith row, the jth column. Now we need to learn some definitions regarding the matrix. First of all, the row matrix. The matrix having only one row is called the row matrix. It means all the elements should be in one row. There may be 2 elements, 1 element, 3 element or 4 element, but should be in one row. That is called the row matrix. Whereas the column matrix, the matrix having only one column, that is called the column matrix. The square matrix, when number of rows and columns are equal. It means that such type of matrix in which the order is same, whereas 1 by 1 it means 1 row 1 column, or 2 by 2 just like this it means 2 rows 2 columns, or 3 by 3 3 rows 3 columns. The number of rows and the number of columns should be equal. Now the diagonal matrix, when all the elements of the square matrix other than the diagonal elements are 0. Here you can see that all the elements are diagonal and rest of the elements other than the diagonal are 0. So this is the diagonal matrix. The diagonal elements should not be 0. Now the scalar matrix. The diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are same. It means that here the diagonal elements are same, 2 2. It could be 3 3 4 4. Okay, the diagonal elements of the 2 by 2 form or 3 by 3 form, the diagonal elements should be same and the other should not be same. Okay, so this is the scalar matrix. Now the unit matrix, the diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements is 1. Here you can see the diagonal elements are same as well as 1 1 1. So it is the unit matrix. We can also call it scalar matrix because the diagonal elements are same as well as 1. Thank you for watching this video.